Hey there everyone, welcome in Dart Programming Language video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Saleem. In this video tutorial we are going to discuss what is Flutter and we'll create the setup and run Flutter in our local machine. So Dart is the main language which is used to develop cross-platform mobile applications using Flutter framework, and it's designed by Google. So after complete this Dart programming language video tutorial series, I will launch one more course where um, where we create or develop cross-platform mobile applications. And not only one course, we'll create a bunch of different applications using Flutter, and these applications will run both platforms in iOS and Android. So let's start. Here's the main site of the dot dev, and you can see, or you can read the bunch of information if you want to read from here about dart. And here's the docs, all the documentation about dart, and platforms which I discuss here. So the dart is not only for mobile, even you can create a web apps, and it's also run in a mobile apps and ARM32, and even in a Windows spotted. And here is their community support, and try dart. If you look here, is you can set online pad, like a dart pad which I opened already here. We'll discuss and I will show you later at the end of this video tutorial. And you can try dart. It seems like your text editor but online. And at the end we have here get dart. We can install dart language from here. Scroll a little bit down. Here you can see the three operating systems name, like Windows, Linux, Mac, and the installation instructions. If you're using Windows, just you have to run this command, that's it. The dart will install in your operating system. If you already have a dart but you want to update or upgrade, just run this command, and the dart language will be upgrade. If you run this command, then the dart will be installed. Next, for Linux, and you can follow the instruction. Here is install using apt get, or for Debian package, and just follow the instruction. It's pretty easy. Now I'm using the Mac, and here the information how to install in the Mac. It's very easy and simple. Just you have to run first this command, and make sure you have Homebrew. Otherwise you have to install Homebrew in your Mac, and then you have to run this command and brew install dot. After that, just run this command to check the version which you installed in your Mac. If you already have installed the dot in your system and you want to upgrade, just run brew dot brew upgrade dot. That's it. And I already installed dot in my system, and I will check by run this command brew info dot, and I open my terminal. Here if I run this command brew info dot, and it's give me here the stable version 2.10.4, and here some bunch of information related dot. So this is the way the which you have to follow and install the dart in your local machine or system. If you don't want to install or make a setup dart language in your machine, and you want to practice online, you can use this try dot from the official site or website from here, or you can use the dotpad.dev, and here you can practice your dot code. If I remove here and make your print, hello dot, and run, it's giving us error. No, it's okay because the semicolon is must. I forget because I worked on Python. So here we have to put a semicolon, and the output is here in front of us. It's the easiest and simplest way how to install the Dart in your local machine, and that's what this video tutorial. Next video tutorial